Yo, have I ever told you about that time when I was going through some shit? Flipped, then I hit Jeddah. Tried to hold it in, well I didn't. Ain't over, I'ma switch redder. Yo, have I ever told you about that time when I was going through some shit? Flipped, then I hit Jeddah. Tried to hold it in, well I didn't. Ain't over, I'ma switch redder. Missed the boat, ring my phone, sick in my dome, missing the boat. If you trippin', it's go. Nigga, hold the liver rope, come hit you a hump. Like your bitch is my dog and I give her a bump. Nodding to my shit, sorry I'm a prick. Bopping through the bits, might holler at your waist. Fully pocket, she just want a little bit. Lit my lolly and I'm crib.
I don't know if I told you, but I go the whole 9 yards and 9 more and jump to the front like what you waiting in line for. I make it seem easy like I slid through the side door, pushed a couple of buttons and left with a high score. The true champ like Steve Weeby, in the lab trying to finish this work before I see DD. A heavyweight in the game I'm not playing, with my opponent's head in me rucksack at the weigh-in. While you're trying to blag your way in, I'm already here. Feet on the table while you're pouring me beer, and I'm not leaving a tip. Kettle found dead but the pot's pleading the fifth. It's my right to tell you to shut the fuck up. The sky is falling, you wish you never took a look up. The anticipation gets more hype than the drop. You're acting like it's hard and I walk right to the top. Like what, mate? I'm only here for the booze. They celebrate you winning and they cheer when you lose. But it's all good either way. I'm just gonna sip this C&J and seize the day. I don't know if I told you this, but well, I don't know if I told you this, but I don't know if I told you this, but I don't know if I told you this, but nothing.